Hello, Mr. Bobby. This is my video for your midterm test, and I hope you enjoy for this video. Thank you. Okay, the first, let me show you about the plosive sound. And the first, bilabial plosive. For the voiceless, p. For the voiced, b. And for the example, for p, pen. Example for b, bin. And the second, alveolar plosive. For the voiceless, t, t. And for the voiced, d, d. And for the example, t, time, time. For the example, d, dog. And the third, the velar plosive. For the voiceless, k, k. And for the voiced, g. And the example for k, king. The example for g, girl. And now for the fricative sound. Okay. And the first, labiodental. For the voiceless, for the voiced, v. For the example for fan. For the example for van. And the second, for dental. For voiceless, for voiced, z. For the example for the tree. For the example for this. And then alveolar. For the voiceless, s. For the voiced, z. For the example for snake. For example for zoo. And then palatal. For the voiceless, s. For the voiced, z. For the example for sheep. For the example for treasure. And the last, glottal. For the example, he. And now for affricative. Affricative palatal alveolar. For the voiceless, ch. For the voiced, d. And for the example for ch, chair. And for the example for j, jar. And then for the nasal sound, the first, bilabial. Bilabial. And for alveolar, and for velar, and for the example for calm. Example for n, nice. Example for singing. And the last sound for approximants. For approximants. For approximants, and the first whoa. And the example for whoa, when. And woo, woo, woo. And the example for road. And then you. For example, fear. And all, for the example, low. Okay, mister. That is the last sound for approximants, and have a nice day, and thank you.